Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Gorhamian here with Misfit Studios as always, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick tip on how to use Instagram using your PC. Alright, so we are on our Instagram page, Misfit Studios Instagram page. Of course, we've got a link down in the description if you guys want to check out our Instagram. Um, and what I want to do today is actually show you guys how to kind of navigate and how to use your tools while you're on your PC on Instagram as opposed to grabbing your phone or your tablet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and right click anywhere on inside the browser, and we're going to go down and click on inspect. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up this weird just bunch of lines of code. Okay, so up here in the top left corner of this little box is going to be toggle device toolbar. We're going to go ahead and make sure that's highlighted. And then if you come over here and refresh the page, it's then going to add this little circle and then your typical toolbar, your buttons that you can press on your mobile device like your tablet or your cell phone on the Instagram app. And so by doing so, you can then go to and navigate through Instagram just like it would be on a tablet or mobile phone. It was just a quick little tip for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Gorhamian here with Misfit Studios as always. And if you guys like what we're doing here at Misfit Studios, leave a comment down below. We love to hear the feedback from you guys all the time. And don't forget that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything else. And we will see you guys next time.